You ever trip over the same thing in your garage like 100 times and just keep stepping over it like it's some sort of permanent obstacle course? Yeah, that was me in this dang floor jack. Until I did this. I mounted it on the wall. It's out of the way, looks clean, and honestly, I feel a little smarter now. I don't know why it took me so long to figure this out. The thing lives on the floor, it takes up space, always ends up blocking something, and somehow weighs like 1,000 pounds. Now boom, grab, go, done. No more jack Tetris every time I need to move stuff. So here's what I used. It's all pretty basic. I'm going to put all of these things down in the description. 2 heavy-duty brackets from Amazon. A couple of 12-inch 2x6s. Screws and a stud finder. And these cool garden tool holders. These are for the jack handles. First step, find some studs. The jack's heavy and the drywall isn't strong enough. Next, I mounted a couple 2x6s directly into the studs. Why 2x6s? They're pretty beefy, and I had the scrap wood laying around. It's a win-win. Next, the brackets go onto the 2x6s. These bad boys are strong enough to hold your floor jack and your ego. Then I mounted 2 of these garden tool holders for the jack handles. They screw in and stay put like they were made for it. Which they weren't, but maybe they should have been. So now my jack lives here. It's off the floor, it's out of the way, and it kind of looks official. Plus, it's way easier to keep the garage clean when your tools aren't trying to kill you. And that's it. Simple, clean, and rock solid. No more floor clutter, no more tripping, and it actually looks good. And if you want to build your own, I'll have the links down below. Got a better jack solution? Drop it in the comments. Otherwise, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the garage.